Dear all students of class 11, the good news for you that you have already been promoted to class 12 as per the announcement of our government. But we could not attend school and meet you due to the pandemic or the COVID 19. This is why we have decided to take online class for you. We should stay home to save ourselves as well as our society from the cruel hand of the coronavirus. I think our school authority should continue online class up to the lockdown period. The guys in class 12, we have to read 4 proses like The Ice Habit, written by Ruskin Bond, Strong Root by APJ Abdul Kalam, Thank You Ma'am by Langston, and the 3 questions written by Leo Tolstoy, and 4 poems like Killing on a Tree, Asleep in the Valley, The Poetry of Earth, and the 3rd poem, Shall I Compare Thee to a Summer's Day. Beside these prose and poems, we have to read one play, The Proposal or The Marriage Proposal, written by Anton Chekhov, and also learn the writing skill. Today, we are going to discuss the prose number 4, the 3 questions written by Tolstoy. Before reading this prose, we should come to know the contribution of Tolstoy to English novel or prose. He was regarded as one of the greatest and fruitful novelists in the history of English literature. His novel War and Peace is almost acknowledged as the documents of human existence and supreme example of realistic novel. Tolstoy is also regarded as a major religious and philosophic thinker, of which can be seen in his earlier fiction or novel. His religious conviction led him to a life of his personal asceticism that influenced the Christian thinking around the world, and it had a major impact on the works and thoughts of such social activists as Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi in India and John Adams in United America. Now we are going to read the prose and try to explain it in 3 questions. The 3 questions where, like, what was the right time for every action? Number two, who was the most important man? Number three, what was the most important thing to do occurred to the life of the Russian Tsar? He wanted to know the answer of all those questions because he knew well. If he knew well the answer of those questions, he never fail in everything or anything that he might undertake. In the past questions or in the reply of the past questions, some said to know the right time for every actions, one must draw up a table of days, month and wise by which everything can be done at its proper time. The other declared it was impossible to decide before the right time for every action. And again, others said it was impossible for only one man to decide correctly the right time for every action. That's why the Russian Tsar should have a council of wise men who would help him to fix the proper time for everything. But others said it was not right to depend only on the counselor and suggest the musician know the right answer. So the Tsar should go to the musician and consult with him and get the right answer from him. Today, dear students, we have to read or we have read up to the line of this prose in order to know the right answer. For every action, one must consult with the musician. And now we ask or we are asking some questions like this, or these questions for your home text. What were the three questions? Number two, why did the Russian Tsar wanted or want to know the answer of these three questions? And number three, what were the different answers by different men? Dear students, you will answer the questions and submit to your respective group. If any problem, you ask me, I try to help you. Today, I am going to sum up my lectures. Later, we shall discuss the pros and try to explain it. Thanks a lot to all.